In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a restart shortcut on your iPhone just like this one. You just tap on it, tap on restart, and your phone will restart. Super simple to use, and it's pretty easy to make too. You need to open the Shortcuts app on your phone. I'm going to search for mine because I never know where it is on my home screen. There it is. Tap on that to open it, and then come back out to the very front so you see all your shortcuts. Then tap on the plus icon on the top right. Search for Shutdown. Yes, I know, that's not restart, but bear with me. Tap on Shutdown to add the shutdown action. When an action has blue text like that, you can tap on it to change it. So we have the restart option there. And that's really all there is to the functionality of it. Now we just have to customize it to go on our home screen. Tap this down arrow. Let's rename it to Restart Again. Tap the check mark. They all have to have unique names, so I already used Restart. So I had to change the name to Restart Again or something else. Then tap on the down arrow again and tap on Home Screen. Here we can customize the appearance of it, pick a color, add a symbol. There's so many symbols to choose from. I'll use a clipboard for this one. Tap Add. And now we have our Restart Again button here and the restart one we saw earlier. They both work the same way. I just made this one as a test and to be able to show it to you at the beginning of the video. And this is the exact same functionality. We just tap on it, we get a restart button, and if we tap on that, it restarts our phone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. You've probably never done that before, so it's about time that you did it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.